The Nagaland Geographical Information System and Remote Sensing Center is a creation of the Government of Nagaland under Planning and Coordination Department to provide geospatial services and solutions for sustainable development planning in Nagaland.
The State GIS Center was fully established back in 2007 and is now the state nodal agency in space-based application GIS remote sensing activities of the state. Our state is harnessing the potential of remote sensing and GIS techniques for developing a digital database of natural resources. The database developed by the center has been of immense importance for the line departments of the state.
The State GIS and Remote Sensing Center is equipped with in-house geospatial lab facilities to provide services for research, planning, and development. The Nagaland GIS Center boasts of its state-of-the-art unmanned aerial vehicles or UAV to develop innovation in the fields of remote sensing science. Through the use of these high-end devices, the center has been able to perform outstandingly and accurate surveillance on difficult terrain and areas of forest or cloud cover. The uses of UAV shall cater to scientific inputs requirements such as low-end traffic enforcement, rescue operation and disaster management, forest fire surveillance, town planning, and scientific research. In the Village Resource Mapping Lab, basic details of natural resources and habitation of villages are mapped in cadastral scale. Here, key areas of resource development are identified by merging indigenous knowledge with space technology. In the Digital Image Processing and GIS Lab, satellite image standardization, stereoscopic visualizations, vectorization of details and feature extractions, digital elevation model generation are done besides other pre- and post-processing analysis. All geospatial information, ranging from basic database of the state to building footprint details of urban centers, are produced from the Data Manager Unit. It maintains the analog and digital map collection created by the center. The output and printing of data is done in this unit. The Project Implementation Unit under the center is capable of undertaking any geospatial projects equipped with high-end systems and proficient scientists. So far, the unit has done a number of case studies on traffic, disaster, crime, natural resources, education, health, and tourism. The Terrain Modeling Lab is where physical representation of real-world terrain in three-dimensional geographic landscape is accurately made using digital elevation model and positional control. The model terrains are milled in high-density thermocol with stereo satellite imagery, 3D aerial photography, or contour. It serves as powerful visual communication tool for planning and assists in terrain analysis. The center houses well-furnished presentation rooms for meetings, training, and capacity building. It uses high-end survey equipments and rigid backup and storage systems.
We plan to make Nagaland a progressive state and a geospatially enabled government, transparent, accountable, and reliable, specifically in spatial information science, which is one of the most important tools for contributing to the determination of sustainability. Our center today has done well. We have the best team of scientists and engineers working in the center, and we will continue to foster the future direction and expand dimensions of the technology in order to reach the application sector to its fullest.